everybody, it's Christine and Stunkles the Skunk, and tonight we are at the biggest Chevron station. So it's like a casino over there on the other side of the street, and right here is the big place. It's so cool. We're gonna go inside. Oh, I see like an airplane in there. Wow, look at that. Can we go in? Can we go in? Let's go in. There's a really big cactus. It's like the kind out of the movies. There's an airplane in the ceiling and the guy's looking at us. I think they're crashing and he doesn't even know it. Wow, it's so big. There's a car in here.
There's a car.
I see a Bigfoot.
Let's go look at the Bigfoot.
Look at the Skittles machine. Wow, this place is crazy. Hi, Mr. Bigfoot. He's so tall. You're very big, Bigfoot. They have a monster truck. Look, there's a guy inside. Hello. You have a nice truck.
He's not real.
Oh, you're not real. Look at all the soda machines. There's so much soda. Hi, alien junkie. Oh, look, it's a Kano.
Oh, hey, Stunkles.
Hey!
What's up, friend? Hi, buddy.
Hello!
I missed you.
I missed you too.
How you been, bud?
Good, good.
I love Stunkles.
Hello!
Do you know Patrick
Hi.
Stunkles?
Hi, Patrick. We're making YouTube. Hello. Hi, Nikki. Oh, look. They even have a carousel horse. There's so many things. M&M's. And there's candy and race cars. There's a race car.
Well, it's just the tires, and it's like a guy. It's not like a real full race car.
There's a race car. I'm telling you, let's here. Look at the candy though.
There's so much candy.
Well, follow me.
Okay, I'll follow you. Where are we going?
I'm going to show you the race car. Look, ta-da! The race car!
There's one on the ceiling too. Look at that. That's crazy.
And there's a guy inside. I'm gonna talk to him. Hello! I like your race car.
He's not real.
I know, but I still say hi. Okay, look, over here, over here, over.
Okay, what is it?
Look, look, look. Those are cool. We should get chairs like this for home.
For home? I don't know about that.
Yeah! Please!
No. I hope you enjoyed our little tour of the largest Chevron station here at Terribles.
Just outside of Las Vegas. It was so cool! Alright, make sure that you turn on those notifications and subscribe, and you could get a shout out from commenting like this person.
And go be a light in the world.
We'll see you soon!